Okay, this will be a video chart on VPRO. Did this one a couple days ago after the massive move here, and it's since pulled back. What we are looking at is a 60-minute chart. For those of you unfamiliar with charts, all that means is each one of these bars, or candlesticks as they're called, represents 60 minutes worth of price action as opposed to a whole day's worth, which is normally what you'll see posted. So this is a 60-minute chart. Just want to go over this quickly as I got some questions now wondering if the play is over and stuff like that. And is it over? I have no idea about that, but it has shown that there's finally a bottom at the chart, and now going into next week, the question really becomes: is that bottom still going to hold, and is it still going to, present an area of strength, or there's some people still willing to buy at? And that level is where we'll start the video. It's going to be right here at 6 cents. Where does that come from? Well, if we go through the history of the chart, you can see that at one point in time right here, it acted as a resistance. When that resistance was broken, it just exploded, and then just basic technical analysis states when a resistance is broken, they become supports. So this resistance, we had a breakout, and then it pulled back, and surprise, surprise, look right where it bounced off from at that support. So right now the 6 cent level is going to be the area that's going to need to hold up going into next week. Now if it falls, really that's telling me that things are running out of gas quite a bit. And if 6 cents can't hold, then I would look for basically 4 cents to be the next stop, as that is where the 50-period moving average is right now. And I know nobody wants to see it drop, that much down, or that much further down, excuse me. But according to the supports, that is the next key area there. But so far so good in terms of the 6 cent level holding. Once more, it was a resistance here. It was broken, came back and tested it, and proved to be strong right here. And now it's just essentially been going sideways and starting to form a channel. So the bottom of the channel is right here at 6 cents. Where is the top of it? Well, looking here, the top seems to be right at this area right here, which is at 0.095. Let me change that to red, and then I'll explain where I'm getting that from. Once more, if we go back and look through the price history of the chart, you can see that here, the price was fluctuating around it quite a bit. Then there was a high right here. When the bounce did occur, it came back up here and bounced off it again. So this 0.095 is going to be the level where if you can break out of it, then you pretty much have a over 20% possible move until the next area of resistance, which is not up here until over 12 cents. So obviously a break of from 10 to 12 would be 20%. So we're talking about over a 20% possible move if that 9.5 cent level can be broken. But obviously one step at a time. First we just got to see if this consolidation period is going to hold up. Looking at volume, it has trailed off, which is good during these consolidation periods. You don't want to see heavy volume when the price is going down or sideways, but it has dropped off, so that's good. With any sort of push upwards through this resistance, that's where you'd want to see a volume bar. The bigger the better in those situations. But for now, the chart is trying to form a bottom. Will this bottom last next week? I don't know, but for now, 6 cents is going to be the key level to keep an eye on. If there are any other questions on the chart, please let me know. If not, I'd encourage you to check out bullwarriorstocks.com. If you go there and sign up for the free newsletter, you'll be sent a free ebook, and with your newsletter subscription, you'll get stock charts, trade ideas, educational pieces, everything from penny stocks up to big board. So there's a good variety, something for everybody. It is all free. We've been making some good money together, so I'd encourage you to go to the website, sign up, and give it a try. One more time, this was VPRO. Thanks for listening.